Stop cold emailing dead leads. Do this instead. If you're sending cold emails and barely getting replies, I need to tell you something. It's probably not your subject line, it's not your offer, it's not even your follow-up game. It's your list. Your list is dead before you even hit send. Today I'm going to show you why that happens. Then I'm going to show you a way to email businesses the same day they're born. Not weeks later, not months later, same day they open their doors. Stick around because this one change is the difference between a cold emails that get ignored and cold emails that actually get read. Here's what most people do when they need leads. They go to Google Maps, they go to Yelp, they scrape LinkedIn, they pull a big list of businesses in my area or businesses in this industry. Sounds smart, right? Except here's the problem. Those businesses have been there for years and they've already been pitched a lot. Every agency, every freelancer, every salesperson doing cold outreach is hitting the same list, the same names, the same inboxes over and over. So by the time your email lands, that business owner has seen 10 emails just like yours this month alone. They don't even read it, they just delete it. That's what I mean when I say your list is dead. It's not that the businesses are bad, it's that they're tired, worn out, numb to cold emails completely. So here's the shift. Instead of fighting for attention on old, tired leads, what if you went after businesses the same moment they're created? Think about it. Every single day, somewhere around 100,000 new domains get registered online. That's 100,000 new businesses basically being born every day. These are brand new companies. They just bought their domain. They probably don't even have a website live yet. Nobody has emailed them yet. Nobody has pitched them. Their inbox is clean. That means when you show up first, you're not competing with 50 other agencies. You're not even competing with one. You're just there first. This is the whole game changer. Instead of chasing old leads everyone already has, you go straight to the brand new ones nobody has touched yet. So how do you actually find new businesses the same day they register? There's a feature built exactly for this. It's called Daily Registered Domains. And here's what it does in plain terms. Every single day, it pulls a fresh list of every new domain registered on the internet. We're talking thousands and thousands of brand new businesses dumped into one list daily. But it's not just a list of website names. You also get the website, business location, phone numbers, email addresses, the exact date it was registered, and more contact details tied to that domain. So you're not just getting here's a new domain, you're getting here's a new business, here's where they are, and here's how to reach them. Now here's where it gets even better. This isn't just a raw dump of names. There's an enrichment layer on top of it. That means you also get the size of the company, what industry they're in, founder details, their social profiles, and an AI score that helps you know which leads are actually worth chasing first. So instead of guessing who to email, you know exactly who's most likely to respond because the data is already sorted for you. And once you've got that list, you're not stuck doing extra work to make it usable. You can export it straight to a CSV file, or push it directly into your CRM, or load it right into your email campaign. No copy pasting, no cleaning up messy spreadsheets, is ready to go the same day you pull it. Let me show you how fast this actually is. Step 1, pull today's list of new domains. Step 2, filter it down. Maybe by location, maybe by industry, whatever fits the kind of clients you go after. Step 3, export it. Send it straight to an email campaign. From this business didn't exist yesterday to this business is in my outreach campaign today, a few minutes. That's the whole process. Now let's talk about why this actually works so well. Think about a business that just registered their domain today. They are in setup mode. They need a website. They probably need SEO. They might need branding, content, marketing, the whole thing. They are actively looking for help right now. Not maybe, not someday, right now. And here's the best part people miss. New business owners are usually easier to close than older established ones. They don't have 5 years of vendor relationships already locked in. They're starting from zero, which means whoever shows up first has the best shot at becoming their go-to. So if you sell web design, SEO, marketing services, content, branding, anything a brand new company needs, this is about as warm as a cold lead can get. Let's bring it back together. Old lead lists are dead because everyone already hit that. That's why your reply rate is low, even if your email is good. The fix is going after brand new businesses the same day they register their domain. This feature gives you that list daily, already enriched with contact info, business details, and an AI score to help you prioritize. And you can export it or push it into a campaign in minutes. so you're never wasting the freshness of the lead. That's the whole shift. Stop fighting for old, tired leads. Start showing up first on the same day a business is born. If you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description below. You can get a free trial and pull your first list of fresh leads today. And if this video helped you see cold emails a little differently, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I'm putting out more videos like this, breaking down exactly how to find leads nobody else is touching yet, and how to actually turn them into clients. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.